Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna make for you Beetroot Coconut Milk Drink. You will need raw beetroot, coconut milk powder. I'm using 25 grams of coconut milk powder for this recipe. Nutmeg, water. We are using half pound beetroot in this recipe. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. This is how the inside of beetroot looks up close. Get Cookbook Jamaican juice drinks. Pour enough water in a bowl. Add several drops of distilled white vinegar in the water. Use your fingers. Rub the skin of the beetroot. Remove dirt. Give beetroot final rinse. It's best if you do this part on the fresh running water. Get your chopping board ready. I'm using a chopping mat. After washing beetroot, peel beetroot. Peel beetroot thin to the skin. If you're not using blender, the alternative way to remove the juice from beetroot is to get a grater. Use the finest part of the grater. After peeling beetroot, grind it to puree. After that, add water. Let it sit for a few minutes and then strain it through a fine mesh strainer. Peel thin to the skin. Put beetroot on chopping board. After that, dice peeled beetroot. Cut or chop beetroot in half. It's easier to handle. Cut long pieces, hold them together, and then cut cubes. This is dicing beetroot. You should get 1 cup diced beetroot, raw beetroot. Get your blender ready. Ensure the blender's jar is on properly. Remove the lid. Add water. Add peeled, diced beetroot. Grind 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. Use the blender's lid. Cover the jar properly. Blend 2 minutes on high speed. Allow. I am mixing drink in this jar. Get something to place the waste. Get a fine mesh strainer ready. After the time, strain this blended beet juice and water. Get Book Jamaican juice drinks. To help the juice to flow freely, use a spoon. By separating the fiber from the juice, it flows freer. Press the fiber with the spoon. Drains excess juice. It will flow faster. It will drain faster. Do this until straining is finished. Let me say something. If you need fiber in your body, you don't have to throw away the fiber after blend. You just pour the blended juice in a cup, then you add the other ingredients and then sweeten it. This waste that I'm throwing away is fiber. It's also good for you. For those of you who like to buy fiber in a bottle, this is good fiber. By eating fiber, it aids with your bowel. Next, add coconut milk powder. This is a 50-gram pack of coconut milk powder. We're using 25 grams of coconut milk powder. So it's half of this package in this recipe. If you want to use coconut milk instead, not powder, you could blend beetroot with 1 cup of coconut milk with 1 cup of water. Mix it in properly. Eating beetroot lowers blood pressure. Be mindful. Saying that beetroot has many health benefits. Use a lid, cover jar. Keep it in the refrigerator 3, no more than 5 days. Nevertheless, you may freeze it for 3 or more months. This is what you want. Before serving this beetroot coconut drink, add enough ice in a glass. Shake the drink well if it's in a bottle. Mix it in if it's in a jar before serving. Pour some of this rich colored drink in a glass. This is Beetroot Coconut Milk Drink. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try mixing this drink yourself. When you do, give us feedback. Let's taste this drink. I definitely taste the coconut milk. The flavor of the beetroot is not strong as how it looks. This beetroot coconut milk drink is nice. Therefore, if you're healthy, you don't need to be drinking this drink. Get book Jamaican juice drinks. You should go watch Beetroot Condensed Milk Drink. Until next time, bye.
Yeah, man.